You won't need anything for your practice today. But before we begin, let's set our intention. Actually, let's let our intention choose us. So I'm going to lay out 4 intention cards face down. I want you to pick whichever one jumps out to you first. Now let me flip them over. And the card that you chose will be your intention for your practice today. Keep it in your mind or write it down. And when you're ready, let's begin in extended child's pose on our mats. Bring your big toes a touch behind you. Walk your arms out long in front of you. Rest your forehead down onto your mat and let your chest and belly fall towards your mat. And deepen your breath in and out through your nose. From here, slowly rise into a tabletop on your hands and knees. And then for cow pose, drop your belly and lift your chin. Roll open through your heart. Take a big inhale. Exhale, curl your toes under and lift your hips high for downward facing dog. Reaching your hips high and back. Press your chest towards your thighs, and it's okay to have a little bend in your knees. Come back to cow pose. Lower your knees down to your mat, drop your belly, lift your chin, inhale. Exhale to child's pose, hips to your heels, forehead to your mat. As you inhale, rise up into cow pose, drop your belly, lift your chin. As you exhale, down dog, reach your hips high and back. Slow and fluid in your movements. Inhale back to cow pose, drop your belly, lift your chin. Exhale, child's pose, hips to your heels, forehead to your mat. Keep it going. Cow pose on your inhale. Down dog. As you exhale, cow pose as you inhale, child's pose as you exhale. 2 more times on your own. Follow the pace of your breath. Cow, down dog, cow, child's. And try to be so fluid between your postures that there are no actual pauses in any poses. Just breathing and moving between the poses. And meet me in downward facing dog whenever you get there. From your down dog, lower down into a tabletop on your hands and knees. Then firm up your core and keep your neck in line with your spine. With this engagement, reach your right fingertips forward and your left heel back. Hold. If you feel yourself wobble or tilt, remind yourself to keep your belly pulling in and use the limbs supporting you to push away from the ground. Breath is calm, face is relaxed. 3, 2, 1. Come back to your tabletop and switch sides. Left hand reaches forward, right heel reaches back. Firm up through your belly, tighten through your ribs. Neck is in line with your spine, but keep your jaw soft. Three, two, one. Lower back down into your tabletop and set up a side plank with your right hand down, left arm high. Remember, you can modify with your right forearm down. Stack your feet one on top of the other and flex your toes back towards your face. Make sure you're not craning your head forward. Bring your neck in line with your spine. And with your left fingertips reaching up towards the ceiling, lift out of your bottom shoulder. And for an added challenge, lift your top leg up like a star. For 3, you've got this. 2, steady. 1, gentle release and switch sides. Left arm down, right arm high. Stack your feet one on top of the other, toes flexing back, neck is in line with your spine. Everything is pressing up away from the mat. Reach up through your right fingertips. And if you did on the other side, lift your top leg, resembling a star. For 3, gentle smile on your face. 2, light through your whole body. Stay strong. 1, gentle release, and make your way to your downward facing dog. From here, lower your knees down to your mat and come to stand on your knees, setting up for a half camel. So I like to modify this with my toes curled under behind me. Find what works for you, but you want to make sure that your knees are hip distance. That's about 2 fists distance. And take your hands to your hips and tuck your pelvis under so that your lower back lengthens and your lower abs engage. Begin to lift up through your heart and feel your shoulders roll open. Keep your hips pressing forward the entire time. Then from here, lower your left hand down so your fingertips can rest on your left heel and reach your right hand up, stretching between your fingertips. Keep your breath calm and smooth. 3, 2, 1. Bring your hands together at heart center. Take a seat on your heels. Big breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Then seal your lips, breathing in and out through your nose. Come to stand on your knees so we can switch sides. First, take your hands to your lower back. Tuck your pelvis under and forward, lengthening out your lower back. Press your hips forward the entire time. Lift up through your heart, roll your shoulders open. Then slowly and mindfully, reach your right arm back so your right fingertips can touch your right heel and reach your left arm up to the ceiling. Gazing up through your left hand, try adding a soft smile to your face. For 3, breathe. 2, you've got this. 1, gentle release. Bring your hands together at heart center and take a seat on your heels. Big inhale through your nose. Open mouth, let it go through your mouth. Well done. Namaste.